guys. Hello guys, if my voice is a bit thin because I get in the cold here because of the aircon and but anyway, this is our little room here. Our little room. So I've got a latch here. Peeping hole.
Someone's coming.
If someone's coming, got TV, got all the channels. Got the aircon up here. So we'll show you the room, guys. You get cups, 2 cups, a jug, and a pitcher, but no free water, no fridge. But lucky there's a Robinsons Mall just downstairs, and there's a supermarket there. Yeah.
There's a mirror.
Got the mirror, got a queen size bed, got a safe over here, and a Bible. Got a safe over here and a Bible. Got a telephone, does it work?
Yeah, it's working.
Oh yeah. Table, but no, don't. Yeah, the table, something's wrong with the table.
Yeah.
Got a chair, another mirror.
The mirror.
There's no toothpaste or brushes, so you got to bring your own. There's a hand soap. And got the toilet butt gun over there. I've got a shower. The shower's pretty good. Got the shower head, and you got the handheld one, so you can change it. And you got a 3-in-1 shampoo, soap, body soap. You got these little things to hold on the wall for your clothes. And this is our view. It's Manila, part of Manila. You see all the apartment buildings. But yeah, guys, and you get 2 towels. It's okay.
It's okay for a budget hotel.
Yeah, it's a budget hotel. Around $40 New Zealand a night. So yeah, got the aircon. Cards, get 2 cards. So it's a bit
There's a fire exit.
yeah, got the fire exit mat, safety and security. So you guys.
Yeah, it's nice here. It's quiet.
It's quiet.
Yeah. If you have millions of dollars, you can put here in the safe.
Yeah. Millions of pesos.
Yeah. If you don't have $1 million, million pesos.
Okay, guys. So that's the view of the room. What is it? So our review, yeah, what would you give it?
If I rate these to 1 to 10, I think I give this 8. Yeah.
I'll give it around about a 7.
For me,
8. And Shirley gave it 8.
8, yeah.
Why I gave it that? Because it's out of the way of everything.
Yeah, that's
we're only here because to fix my laptop, my screen on my laptop, and the computer place is just around the road. So if it wasn't for my laptop, I wouldn't be here. We were meant to go to the museum today, but it's only open on from Tuesday to Saturday.
Sunday.
To Sunday.
Yeah.
So it's Monday today, so
They close.
Yeah, they're closed, so. But the good thing is, there's Robinsons Mall downstairs.
There's also SM here, but there's also SM here, but you need to catch a tricycle.
Yeah, you got to catch a tricycle.
Yeah.
So there's a SM Mall nearby.
Yeah.
It'll take about 5 minutes to get there.
Into Robinsons.
Into Robinsons, but yeah. So the staff are pretty helpful. I booked, so the cleaners clean. It's nice and clean. Yeah, it's all good for a couple of nights. So we're here for a couple of nights. And yeah, what's handy is you just got the supermarket just downstairs. It's a bit confusing when you first come here because of the elevator. There's actually 3 elevators, but 2 are blocked off, or one is only for there's only 1 elevator that comes up here for this, and that's 5, level 5, because we're on level 5. And if you want to go to the mall, you can walk around the front, but we'll show you guys anyway in the video. You'll see in the video, or you would have seen in the video. So here guys, that's our review. Pretty didn't have any spoons or fridge. But hey, it's a budget hotel, so it's pretty basic. Okay guys, so you guys, we're just gonna get into Robinsons.
Yes. I'll show you this room. There's a lot of rooms here.
See all the rooms down here? You can eat.
When you go outside, when you see outside, just look at small movie.
It's got some hot water here.
You can get this.
Hot water and cold water and normal. But you got like a communal, some seats here, chairs. It's alright. So you've got some communal areas. You can just come here and sit, do your studies or whatever, your work. All the cleaners down there. So you got a chessboard there. Hey.
For Christ is born of
Got a cafe over here. Still trying to get over this cough, guys.
Me.
Where are you guys? Oh,
Ground. I forgot to press.
I forgot to press it, guys.
This is the hotel elevator.
Hotel elevator, yeah.
And the mall, they have also a separate elevator for the mall.
We'll go up in that one.
Yeah.
And this one, you go into this one and go up to level 2. So we're going out 1 elevator, that's for the hotel, and this one's for to go up into the mall.
2.
Alright guys, I'll let you I'll put you guys away because of security, and we'll bring you out when we get up there.
Yeah.
There's a medical center. Go around, have a look there. See, they haven't got table tennis here, guys. My brother used to play that, table tennis. Anthony. He used to have different bats. Got a dental clinic over there, guys. Oh, that's a printing center. Oh, is that your daughter?
Oh, stop her. And my mom. With my mom.
Alright. It's a Vietnamese food. It's a Vietnamese dish. Yeah, food. The Starbucks over here. Bingo it. What's it? Oh, try that, eh?
Just like the one that you're cooking there. The noodles.
Should we try? Or what?
Parking for 3.
Huh?
For 95.
Look on the It's a pancake house, some pancakes. Oh. massage cheese.
Subscribe, and Shirley
YouTube.
YouTube channel and Facebook.
Bye.
Bye.